Welcome to Crypto. My name is Arthur. Thank you for joining in. And in this video, we have got a major update regarding to Triangular Crypto Arbitrage. So now it's no longer only about Triangular Crypto Arbitrage, because they have added cross exchange arbitrage. As you can see right here, it says discover triangular and cross exchange arbitrage opportunities across major cryptocurrency exchanges in real time. So basically, you can be able to do triangular crypto arbitrage and of course take advantage of arbitrage opportunities across multiple crypto exchanges and everything. So the link obviously is in the description below as well. If you want to learn more about all these major updates, I suggest that you click the link in the description below as well, and then you go out on guys and check out what's really happening, because right now is now doing a lot of things at once. So instead of getting only triangular crypto arbitrage, you also getting of course cross arbitrage opportunities, and the price did not change, still same price right here. Other than that, this is only thing that I wanted to highlight for you guys. But a lot has changed, and of course the interface and everything has changed. And then also one thing that you guys need to know is you can now also access DEX exchanges, right? So instead of trading on centralized exchanges, right now you can also take advantage of arbitrage opportunities on DEX crypto exchanges. You know what I mean? So all the Uniswaps, pancakes, and everything have been included. Nothing really changed. We just wanna people to take advantage of triangular crypto arbitrage and crypto arbitrage right here without going back and forth between apps. You know what I mean? So everything is just like in one scanner, and of course one subscription. And good thing is scanner is also able to calculate your fees and everything. Everything is just included and make things easier, because AI is the one picking up all these opportunities and stuff like that in real time. You know what I mean? So it's making things easier when it comes to triangular crypto arbitrage. And of course, we're gonna see a lot of live videos for cross arbitrage opportunities. And currently still supporting all these crypto exchanges. These are centralized exchanges, as you can see. So if you have got an account in one of these crypto exchanges, then you're good to go. But if you cannot access centralized exchanges, then right now you've got advantage, because you can just simply take advantage of decentralized crypto exchanges. You know what I mean? And if you want to go hard on triangular crypto arbitrage, then that's also good thing that you can do right now. But other than that, these are all the major updates that I wanted you guys to know. And it's really, really simple right now, and everything is just smooth, right? So let's check it out. As you can see, once you logged in and everything, you have got your cross arbitrage right here, and you have got your triangular crypto arbitrage right here. So basically with cross arbitrage, you already know that you have to buy cryptocurrencies from one crypto exchange, and then you sell to another crypto exchange at a higher price. For example, you would buy crypto from Bybit crypto exchange, and then you would sell to, let's say, BitGet or Binance at a higher price. You know what I mean? So here it says compare price between two exchanges, buy low on one exchange and sell high on another exchange for guaranteed profits and stuff like that. So here's just like a simple guide. You choose buy and sell exchange, real-time spread detection, lower complexity, faster execution, right? So you can simply just click here and launch the scanner. While this triangular crypto arbitrage, you do everything in one crypto exchange. You know what I mean? So we have made a lot of videos about triangular crypto arbitrage. Nothing really changed, still same interface and everything, still same scanner. The difference is that right now they have added cross arbitrage, and you guys can take advantage of cross arbitrage as well instead of triangular crypto arbitrage only. All right, so now instead of getting like a lot of products like cross arbitrage, triangular arbitrage, and stuff like that, you have got two scanners in one subscription, which is better for the community as well, heavy crypto community and everything. How to get this done. So instead of cross arbitrage, of course, you have got your buyer here, you've got your seller here. You choose your crypto exchange that you're using. For example, let's say you're using let's say Get.io right here, and then you're gonna choose where you want to sell your crypto assets to. So right here you also have all these crypto exchanges. For example, let's say you wanna sell your crypto assets to Luna or Vala crypto exchange, because you know we have done a lot of these arbitrage opportunities on this channel. You can check out all the videos regarding to these arbitrage opportunities and stuff. So what you all have to do is just to click scan, but I'm not gonna scan here. Don't wanna like expose these opportunities because I'm not allowed to do that. But the simple thing that you gotta do is just to choose exchanges right here and the amount that you are willing to spend on on this arbitrage. So basically you just have to create an account on Git.io and Luna Crypto Exchange or any other crypto exchanges right here. You know, just search for arbitrage opportunities. We're gonna get a lot of arbitrage opportunities right here. You know, a lot of arbitrage opportunities. And you click scan, and then it's gonna scan and give you opportunities. All right. And if you want Triangle Crypto Arbitrage, still same interface, nothing will change. So with Triangle Crypto Arbitrage, you only take advantage of price difference. As you already know, we have done a lot of live videos on this channel. I think today I'm gonna drop another live Triangle Crypto Arbitrage opportunity. Live Triangle Crypto Arbitrage video, and also another cross arbitrage video. You know, using same scanner right here. So right here, obviously, you just have to choose the crypto exchange that you're using and the amount that you wanna use for this Triangle Crypto Arbitrage opportunity. And of course, right here you choose how many opportunities do you want to see. All right, and then you click apply, and then it's gonna give you Triangle Crypto Arbitrage opportunities that are available on that crypto exchange you have selected. You know, scanner is getting better because instead of taking advantage of Triangle Crypto Arbitrage or arbitrage only, now we can take advantage of cross arbitrage also. You know, buying things from buying coins from SushiSwap and whatever, and then you know we sell to other markets as well. So this is it. My name is Arthur, guys. Just wanted to give this quick updates regarding to Triangle Crypto Arbitrage and cross arbitrage. We're gonna be making a lot of live videos and stuff like that, or even go live, you know. So I hope you guys take advantage of this. Make sure you check out guides here, and it's gonna guide you pretty much everything that you need to know. And other than that, join the community. Once you get the scanner, you join the private group. That's where we drop major updates and everything, what's working and all that good stuff, you know what I mean. And therefore, guys, I'll send the video. Love and peace and cheers. If you want to reach out to me on my Telegram, my WhatsApp, and everything is gonna be in the description below as well. So this is it, guys. Cheers.